Hello, good morning everyone. Once again today I am here. As you all know, winter is going on and the school is closed as per the order of Honorable DM sir. So during these vacations your study does not affect. For this we are working here and providing you the study materials and the explanation of the topics of the chapters. Now once again I am here. Yesterday I have started the chapter 14, that is water. I have explained you there about the water, sources of water, percentage availability of water, and the last one is what? Need of water. So yesterday we all have discussed, I have discussed with you all these topics. ये सब मैंने आपको कल एक्सप्लेन किया था. Today we are proceed forward in this chapter and I will explain you the next topics that is very important in your chapter, and the topic that we are going to discuss today, that is the very important topic. The first one is water cycle. The one what? Water cycle. So one by one, first of all we will discuss water cycle. Next we will discuss importance of water cycle. First we will discuss water cycle, then we will discuss importance of water cycle. As the word water cycle, here the word water cycle, it is two words. Water, what is water? I have explained you all are knowing very well what is water. मैंने आपको कल बताया था कि water is a very important natural resource which is needed by all living things, whether it is plant or animal. चाहे बेटा plant हो चाहे animal हो, water सबके लिए important है for their survival. It is, we can say that water is the basic need of each and every living things on this earth. Okay beta, last day I have told you water is needed by plant use water it for manufacturing food by the process of photosynthesis. Human beings, we people use water for our daily life purposes like washing, cleaning, bathing, cooking, drinking purpose, or whatever this. And now today we will discuss water cycle. Water cycle means it is a cycle which tells us that suppose we have water in river, in ponds, in lakes, in hand pumps. We use that water, it flows away from our drainage or from our canals, from our houses, and after that it collects in a pit. एक गड्ढे में इकट्ठा हो जाता है और in ponds. After some times the quantity of water in the pits or the ponds reduces. You have observed that if you take water in a bowl at your home and place it in your room, after some time in the morning you place it full bowl of water, and in the evening when you will observe that water, you will find that the water that you have taken, the quantity of water has reduced. कुछ पानी कम हो जाएगा उसमें. The question is where this water goes? मैंने तो पिया नहीं, किसी एनिमल ने पिया नहीं, तो where this water goes? जो उसको हमने एक बंद रूम में रख दिया. So in that condition, water gets evaporated. And water on getting evaporated, it changes into vapor from gaseous state. And we all know that the gaseous state water moves up. All the gases are lighter, हल्की होती हैं, and they moves up in the sky. Okay beta, now listen here. Evaporation. Evaporation means conversion of water into gaseous form. Conversion of water into gaseous form. Okay beta, and now in water cycle some important process take place. In water cycle some important process takes place. What are these process? Evaporation is there. Second, transpiration. Third one is condensation. And fourth one is precipitation. These events takes place in water cycle. Okay beta, now one by one we will discuss all these. What happened, where happened, how happened, क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, कब होता है, कहाँ होता है, ये सारी चीजें, इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या है, इसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है. पहला चीज बेटा इवेपोरेशन. तो इवेपोरेशन इज द कन्वर्जन ऑफ वाटर इनटू वेपर फॉर्म. इवेपोरेशन कन्वर्जन of water into vapor. Conversion of water into vapor. Conversion of water into vapor by sun's heat. Sun के heat से. Okay बेटा. Transpiration. This is loss of water. Loss of water from plants in the form of vapor. आप लोगों ने स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ा होगा, हमने पढ़ाया था कि in plants teeny pores are present at the lower surface of its leaf. That pores are called stomata. Okay beta, through stomata during daytime plants lose water in the form of vapor, and that vapor also moves into the sky. Okay beta, when this water vapor from the pond or lake and from the plants water vapor reaches into the sky or moving up, they collect together, they become cool and they condense. They can what? They condense to form cloud. They condense to form what? Cloud. When these clouds becomes too cold, they changes into the form of liquid form. They change into the form of water, that is liquid form, and this process is the conversion of water vapor into liquid form Conversion of water vapor into liquid form is called condensation. It's called what? Condensation. And when this water condenses, when it condenses too much, when they become too cold, that liquid form of water takes the form of droplets, of water, and these droplets pour down on the earth's surface, on the ground. Means the falling of water in droplets form is called precipitation. ये जो वाटर वेपर बेटा जो कंडेंस हुआ और ड्रॉप्स के फॉर्म में ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड प्रेसिपिटेशन. वी आल्सो कॉल्ड इट एज रेन. वी आल्सो कॉल्ड इट एज व्हाट? रेन. हम उसे और क्या कहते हैं बेटा, रेन कहते हैं। क्या कहते हैं, रेन। ठीक, तो इतनी चीज के लिए वाटर साइकिल में क्या हुआ, इवेपोरेशन हुआ, ट्रांसपिरेशन हुआ, कंडेंसेशन हुआ, देन आफ्टर व्हाट हुआ, प्रेसिपिटेशन, देन आफ्टर व्हाट, precipitation. Okay beta, and after precipitation the water that is being evaporated from the ponds or lake or lost from the plants in the form of water vapor, they all moves into the sky, they condense there to form cloud, and after the formation of cloud they condense to change into the liquid form, and after too much condensation they changes into the form of droplets that falls on the earth in the form of rain. This is called precipitation. Okay beta, now I will demonstrate you whole this process by a pictorial presentation. So just a minute, I am going to make the pictures. Okay, now this is what the figure of water cycle. Here beta, this is water body. It is like a pond or lake or a part of river, from where by the sun's heat, sun की हीट पड़ेगी, water becomes evaporated, ये change होगा vapor form में, it goes up into the sky. Plant is here the tree, by the tree, from tree water is lost through the leaf in the form of water vapor, that is called transpiration. Here it is evaporation, and after evaporation and transpiration, when air moves up into the sky, in the above sky the temperature is low, टेम्परेचर कम होता है बेटा, जैसे जैसे आप ऊपर बढ़ते जाएंगे टेम्परेचर कम होते जाएगा। ठीक, तो दिस एयर बिकम्स कूल, जब सारी वेपर एक साथ आएंगे तो दिस बिकम्स कूल, दे स्टार्ट कंडेंसेशन एंड दे टेक द फॉर्म ऑफ क्लाउड। क्या बनाएंगे, क्लाउड बनाएंगे। व्हेन दैट क्लाउड कंडेंसेस टू मच, बहुत ज़्यादा कंडेंस जब होता है तो वाटर चेंजेज इनटू द वाटर वेपर, जो वेपर था दैट चेंज इनटू लिक्विड फॉर्म। किस फॉर्म में चेंज होता है, पहले बात तो वेपर था, अब वो चेंज हुआ वाटर फॉर्म में, और जब वो बहुत ज़्यादा कंडेंस हो जाएगा ऑन इट्स लार्ज कंडेंसिंग, लार्ज कूलिंग, दैट वाटर स्टार्ट्स फॉलिंग डाउन, pouring on earth in the form of water droplets. This process is called precipitation or rain. तो बेटा एक चीज देखो, वाटर साइकिल में क्या है, पहले वाटर हमारे पास था, यहाँ से वाटर इवेपोरेट हुआ, ऊपर गया, क्लाउड बना, क्लाउड बनने के बाद वो फिर प्रेसिपिटेट हुआ, अगेन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेन, ये कहाँ आया, हमारे लैंड पे आया, लैंड से फिर कहाँ गया, वाटर बॉडी में गया। तो मीन्स इट्स वाटर इज रिचार्ज और रिप्लेस्ड, what the water is consumed or lost into the atmosphere, that is again recharged or sent back by the nature. This the circulation and conversion of water into vapor, then into cloud, then into liquid. Then this repeated process is called water cycle. This repeated process is called what? Water cycle. What is the importance of water cycle? So beta, it makes availability of water. पहली बात, it helps to recharge the pits, the pond, the lake, the river, the ocean, from which water throughout the year lost in the form of vapor. देखो बेटा, जहाँ से वेपर के फॉर्म में वाटर लॉस होता है, जैसे पॉन्ड है, लेक है, रिवर है, ओशन है, उन सबको रिचार्ज करने का काम कौन करता है? वाटर साइकिल। एक बार जब वाटर लॉस हुआ, फिर ये अगेन उसको कंडेंस करके नीचे भेज दिया, तो ऑटोमेटिकली नेचुरली मेथड से ये आपको क्या करता है? वाटर प्रोवाइड करा देता है। एंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेन, एंड रेन इज द प्योर, रेन वाटर इज द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर। सबसे प्योर वाटर रेन वाटर होता है, नो इम्प्योरिटी इज देयर। ओके बेटा, किसी उसमें H2O है। नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज का, इट मेंटेन्स द सप्लाई ऑफ वाटर ऑन लैंड। अगर वाटर साइकिल ना रहे तो लैंड पे वाटर सप्लाई मेंटेन नहीं हो पाएगा। सेकंड थिंग, द वाटर साइकिल हेल्प्स टू रेगुलेट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ अर्थ थ्रू आउट द ईयर। सो दीज आर द व्हाट इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर साइकिल। ओके बेटा, आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? वाटर साइकिल पढ़ा। वाटर साइकिल होता क्या है, इसमें कौन कौन से प्रोसेस होते हैं, जिसमें मैंने आपको बहुत अच्छे से बताया, इवेपोरेशन होता है, ट्रांसपिरेशन होता है, कंडेंसेशन होता है, फिर प्रेसिपिटेशन होता है। उसके बाद हमने वाटर साइकिल का डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन आपके पास किया। पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन। आफ्टर दैट हमने पढ़ा इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर साइकिल। अब जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स आपके चैप्टर के बचे हैं, जैसे व्हाट इज ड्रॉट कंडीशन, व्हाट इज फ्लड, व्हाट मेजर्स स्टेप्स आर टेकन टू protect our lives and property during the floods and drought, and how water is conserved. These all topics should be discussed in next part of the video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.